New bags to my Polene collection have just arrived yesterday. I'm very excited to open this, so let's unbox it together. I've ordered this Wednesday evening and they have, no, Tuesday evening, and the package arrived Thursday morning. Super fast shipping for Europe. Okay. I ordered something different this time. I have SIM Numero 9 in mini and Numero 9 regular and Numero 10. All in camel, sandalwood, cognac, tan, brownish colors. This is something different. Let's see. Here they are. Can't take it out. Boże. The box is still the same recycled Polene, just regular recycled box. And here it is. It comes in a dust bag. Yes. The dust bag is the same as the previous handbags that I have purchased, and here it is. White berry. Okay, let me see this. Okay, this is so pretty. It's soft on the touch, the same as other Polene bags. It does seem a little bit bigger than expected. Still a small bag, but I feel like it's going to fit definitely everything that I need for the daily stuff. Let's see how it opens. Okay, here is the logo, and this part has plastic there. It's protected. Okay, I think this is, yeah, sliding. And then this is how it looks like from inside. Okay, this is the maintenance advice, basically how to take care of it, and this is how it looks like from inside. I think this, yeah, okay, so it's a magnet right here. There is nothing on this side, and it's spacey. I can put both of my hands inside like this. Okay, so I am going to put something in there so that you can see what fits. There is again the logo inside, Polene, made in Spain. I feel like the leather on each Polene handbag is slightly different. They all feel very, very nice, but I don't know, just something that makes it just a little bit different. Maybe it's the shape and the color. This is the knot that slides up and down. I think I will be carrying it. I like that it has a strap on for when you get tired carrying it around like that, but I just love how it just looks like this when you carry it as a handbag. But I do love that it has this option. So this is in chalk. I am wearing something quite creamy right now, ivory. It looks more gray on my camera than it does in person. It is more white, but it's not white. It's like a stone white, marble white, something like that. I think one of my favorite things about this bag is the shape. It's just so pretty, so unique. Let's unbox the other one and then see what fits here. I was watching this little bag for such a long time, but I couldn't make a decision to purchase it because of its size, and I knew that here it is. Probably it's not going to fit anything inside, but I just couldn't resist it. It is, let's see, so cute. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? Look at it, even has feet. The logo here is just such a cute little bag. So it's like a smaller wallet. I think that you can fit your cards here, and then something for your lips, your makeup, your mirror, and your keys. That's it basically. So the biggest thing with this bag is that it absolutely doesn't fit your phone. As you can see, I have iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is wider than this little bag. So I guess that I'm going to put my phone in my husband's pocket or just carry it around in my hand while I have this little cute, I think this one is called Numero Un Micro. Let's see it with the straps. I'm going to making such a mess here. I love how it also comes with this tiny dust bag. It's the same leather, very, very soft to touch. There is this little pocket right here on the side. It is super, super tiny, as you can see. I think this would be a great bag to have around if you don't have to carry your phone with you. Just that. I think all of the other basics can fit here. Numero Un Micro Black, obviously. Super, super cute. I brought some of my things that I carry around with me daily. First, Beri. Okay, so this is my wallet. Definitely fits my wallet, my phone, and lipstick, keys, my car keys, mirror, hand cream. Okay, I have sunscreen. Let's put that. And then I would probably have some lip oil that I can't. Here it is. Here's the lip oil, and it can fit all of that, and there is still some space left. I'm going to close it. It's really nice that it's totally open here, and I feel like it's going to be really easy to take things in and out if this thing is going to be open, of course. Here it is. The shape didn't change, maybe a little bit here, but it still looks really nice. All in all, I will be able to fit everything here. It's gorgeous. I'm very, very satisfied. I was looking for something bright, a brighter color for this summer, and I also think it's going to be really nice in winter, spring, summer, maybe in autumn. I'm gonna choose my cognacs and camels. But for now, for summertime, this is just going to be a very, very nice option. So let's see what from here fits in this tiny micro bag. Probably nothing. So my phone can't fit. Obviously, I am not going to carry my wallet. Okay, so I think that I could fit multiple cards, maybe like 5 tops, I'd say. I know a lot of you girls have this lip oil, and then my keys. Let's go with the essentials. So keys, and then a mirror. I have to put a mirror, and then what else? Lipstick. Okay, lipstick, and I think that's it. So this is how it looks like. Something else would fit here. There is the logo right here as well. I've closed it. This is how it looks. So there is still a little bit of space here that I think has to be in order to completely close this bag. It is really well structured, and then I could fit another card right here. So here they are for comparison. It's funny how from different angles this one actually looks so big, but it's really not. I'm very satisfied with my new purchases. I know I'm going to be using them, especially this one in the nighttime, and this one whenever for the summer. Also, Beri only has the logo here, and on inside I don't see it anywhere else. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're interested in buying a Polene handbag, watch my other videos to see and decide which one would be perfect for you. And that would be all. If you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.